Hi, welcome to ASC 4551 Advanced in High Altitude Aerodynamics. I'm going to be a professor for this 8-week fast track all online course. My name is Dr. Aaron Judy. I looked at the course list and I believe I've had most of you in class before. So you should be familiar with me. This course is a little bit different since it's 8-week fast track, so it moves extremely quick. I'll do my best to try to present the material in a way that's easily grasped and not too in depth, but there is a lot of material to cover and it moves quite quickly. All your assignments are going to be due by Sundays at 11:59 p.m. The course weeks pretty much flow pretty consistently. There is not a lot of online discussion forum in this course. It's up to you to read the chapters and do the problems at the end of the chapter. All the answers are in the back of the book, so I'll caution you need to show your work and make sure you understand why that is the correct answer to be able to do well on the quiz and on the final exam. There's also going to be a course project. I'll give you more information about that later. It's typically some type of wind tunnel data reduction project that we will do. Another note is that we changed the course book. So what I did last year is all now out the window, and I have to redo it for this book, which you should have by now, Aerodynamics for Aviators by ASA, the second edition. It's a pretty straightforward book. Unfortunately, it doesn't go through everything that the book we had before by Jeppesen went through, so I'm going to have to supplement this book with some material. So there might be some things that I cover that you will not see in the book, but that is still fair game for the test as we kind of go through the chapters here in aerodynamics. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Be happy to help you. Again, looking forward to this course. I think you'll find it fun and challenging. Maybe help you brush up on some math skills, but don't worry, we're not going to do anything that is over the top. We're not going to do calculus. You might see a little bit of derivation work, but I won't test you on derivations. So it's going to be basic stuff, basic algebra, basic mathematical manipulation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. But really the important part is for you as an aviator, as a pilot, to understand not just how to fly the airplane, but why the airplane flies and why it behaves the way it does in various regimes of flight. So again, I welcome you to this course. Make sure you look at the syllabus, read over that, and let me know if you have any questions. And we'll get through this 8 weeks in a flash. Take care. Goodbye.